Good morning students. Hope you are all keeping well. So in the previous video we had dealt with model part 2, which dealt with mainly ability, necessity, compulsion and prohibition. So today we will deal with model part 3, which deals with advice, duty, suggestions and request. First, advice, duty, obligation. The models that are used for this purpose are should and ought to. Sometimes they can be interchangeably used. For example, we should not raise your voice. You ought not to raise your voice. So instead of should, we are using ought to, ought not to, should not, ought not to. Moral obligation. Moral obligation means what is morally right and what is morally wrong. For moral obligation, we use ought to. For example, you ought to be fair in your dealings. You ought not to offend people with your unspoken comments. In a special case, when someone did not do what was desirable, the form is should plus have plus past participle of the verb. For example, I should have informed you well in time, but I did not. The team should have gone for net practice, but it did not. Now we are coming to suggestions. For suggestions, the models generally used are shall, should, can, and could. Now, where do we use shall? Shall is generally used for asking for suggestions. For example, shall we play chess? Shall we leave by 8? Now, when do we use should, can and could? These are generally used for making suggestions. For example, you should go. You can watch the cricket match. You should sit in meditation. However, could is more polite than can. Now we are coming to the request. For request, the models used are can, could, will, would. In this case also, could is more polite than can, would is more polite than will. Can and could are commonly used to make requests. Example, asking for things. Can I have a glass of water? Could I see that pen, please? Asking someone to do something. Can you give me a lift to the market? Could you advise me on this? Now here it sounds more polite when you are using could. Can you do me a favor? Could you drop me near the school, please? Could you open the door, please? So when we are using could, it sounds more polite. Will and would are also used for this purpose, though less usually. For example, will you close that window, please? Would you speak a bit slowly, please? Here also we can see that would sounds more polite than will. Would you speak a bit louder? We can also use would you mind instead of would. See, for example, would you please repeat what you said? Now, instead of would, I am using would you mind. Would you mind repeating what you said? Would you please give the book? Instead of would, I am using would you mind. Would you mind giving the book? So, this is all for today. Thank you. Stay safe.